Welcome back! Today we'll learn direction and position kanji. East, west, north, south, inside, outside, up, down, left, and right. These kanji appear everywhere on maps, signs, and daily Japanese. Let's start! Our first kanji is higashi, east. This kanji shows the sun rising behind a tree, which represents the east direction. The readings of this kanji are to, higashi. Examples of higashi: higashi, east direction, Tokyo, Tokyo. Higashiguchi, east exit. Higashi Nihon, eastern Japan. Higashigawa, east side. Next kanji is Nishi, west. This kanji originally showed the sun setting behind a bird's nest or container. The readings of this kanji are sei, sai, su, nishi. Examples of a nishi: nishi, west direction. Kansai, Kansai region. Tozai, east and west. Taiseiyo, Atlantic Ocean. Nishiguchi, west exit. Mini quiz number 1. Which kanji shows the sun rising behind a tree? The correct answer is B. Higashi. Next kanji is Minami, south. This kanji came from an ancient symbol of a hanging musical instrument used in southern rituals. Over time, it came to represent the south direction. To remember this kanji easily, you can imagine this as the kanji of 10, then the symbol of yen, enclosed from 3 sides in a shape. The readings of this kanji are nan, na, minami. Examples of minami: minami, south direction. Tonan Asia, Southeast Asia. Minami Africa, South Africa. Nanbei, South America. Nankyoku, South Pole, Antarctica. Next kanji is Kita, north. This kanji shows 2 people sitting back to back. The readings of this kanji are Hoku, Kita. Examples of kita: kita, north direction. Kitaguchi, north exit. Hokubei, North America. Tohoku, northeast region. Hokkaido, Hokkaido. Mini quiz number 2. Which kanji originally showed 2 people back to back? The correct answer is B. Kita. Next kanji is Naka, middle or inside. This kanji is a simple pictograph showing a line passing through the center of a box, meaning middle or inside. The readings of this kanji are 中、中、内. Examples of naka: naka, inside. Chugoku, China. Chushin, center. Gozenchu, in the morning. Chugaku, middle school or junior high school. Next kanji is ue, up or above. This kanji shows a reference point above the line, meaning above or up. The readings of this kanji are ちょ、上、上がる、登る. Examples of 上、上、above. 上手、skillful. 上着、jacket. 女子、boss. 以上、equal or more than. Mini quiz number 3. Which kanji means inside or middle? The correct answer is B, naka. Next kanji is shita, down or below. Shita is the opposite of ue. It shows a reference point below the line, meaning down or below. The readings of this kanji are 影、下、下がる、下る. Examples of shita: shita, below. Chika, underground. Heta, unskilled. Ika, less than or under. Kudaru, to go down. Next kanji is hidari, left. This kanji originally showed a hand holding a tool traditionally associated with the left side. To remember this kanji easily, you can think of this as the top part of the hiragana na alphabet plus the katakana e alphabet. The readings of this kanji are さ、hidari. Examples of hidari: hidari, left. Hidarite, left hand. Sasetsu, left turn. Hidari uhe, upper left. Hidari gawa, left side. Mini quiz number 4. Which kanji means below or under? The correct answer is A, shita. Next kanji is migi, right. The shape of hand plus the kanji of mouth together make the kanji of migi. It represented a hand bringing food to the mouth, traditionally done with the right hand. The readings of this kanji are you, migi. Examples of migi: migi, right. Migi shita, lower right. Migi ashi, right foot. Migi krikyu, right click. 右側 right side. Next kanji is soto outside. This kanji originally meant something outside the house at night. To remember this kanji easily, you can think of it as the ta of katakana plus the to of katakana. The readings of this kanji are gai, ge, soto, hazureru. Examples of soto: soto, outside, gaikoku, foreign country, gai shutsu, going out, kaigai, overseas, reigai, exception. Mini quiz number 5. Which kanji means right? The correct answer is C, migi. Great job! You now know essential direction and position kanji used in maps, stations, and daily life. In the next video, we'll practice reading these kanji in sentences. See you soon. Mata ne.